Man, it's cold out there. It's been pouring like crazy. So, anyways, what's up everybody? I am Dr. Goat. Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys stopping by. So today, I'm going to try to make this pretty quick, and I'm not going to be explaining a whole lot, but I will show you everything that I'm doing, as well as leave a link in the description to everything that I've got, just in case you guys are in my same situation. So today I'm going to be going ahead and putting together my front bumper and installing it. The only thing that's I feel like it's gonna take the longest time is I just gotta find some bolts to mount my fog lights, and just kind of putting those together on the bumper. Other than that, the bumper itself will snap on pretty easily. I've already had it on there. I did just repaint it once again. Still not right. So I'm gonna be going ahead and paying someone to professionally paint it. But that's another thing. I will also be listing off the cost of everything as I go along, because this was an expense that, not to get into details right now, when I got the car I did not plan on doing, and it's been pretty costly. So anyways, let's get to the shop, let's get in where it's dry, and let's get this going. Okay, so I know I said that I wasn't gonna say much, but just wanted to let you guys know, with these fog lights, they do just kind of clip in on the outer side of the bumper, and then they've got two holes here that I ended up finding some bolts we got here at the shop, M6 metric bolts. Fit right in there perfectly, and then a 10mm wrench to go ahead and tighten those down. So I've already got this one in on the passenger side. Now I'm going to throw the driver's side one in, and then pretty much we've got the grille, the tow hook cover, the fog light bezels or covers, whatever you want to call them, and then the little side vents, which, besides the grille, everything else should literally snap in, and then we can go ahead and get it on the car, get the fog lights plugged in, and be good to go. I will also add that I do have whatever you want to call them here, like the little splash guard wheel well covers that go up around there, because those were gone as well. But I need to take the wheels off in order to put those on, and I don't have what I need to do that right now, so that'll be done in a later video, or I'll just do it and let you guys know. But let's keep rolling. That popped in pretty easy. Felt a little snug, but that's a good thing. But front tow hook cover right there. Now, here is one of the fog light covers. You're gonna notice a change in color because, like I said, apparently I don't know how to paint World Rally Blue the way it needs to be painted. This one came pre-painted, both of them. And my little side vents are black, and I just realized they're actually just primered, they're not actually painted. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and paint those at some point soon here, but for now, like I said, we're just gonna slap it together. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm gonna set the bumper upright right here and go ahead and install the grill. I've already had that on. I've got 4 or 6 other bolts that I had to find, well, screws to hold the bumper in. And then I've got whole bunch of clips right here, you see, from Dr. Rock, and these are supposed to be a bunch of clips for like this whole front end, I guess. So I'm hoping I've got all of them that I need to do the wheel liners when I get the chance to do that. But we've got literally 4 of them that clip in here, and then 3 or 4 of them that clip in on top for the actual bumper. So let's go. Okay, so we now have everything on the bumper that I've got, at least. If I'm missing something, let me know. I'd appreciate it. Obviously, I know I'm missing the Subaru emblem. I've got that for the grill, as well as for the hatch. Some new kind of cooler ones coming from Subi Bros, I believe is what it was called. I'll have to look and make sure, but I believe that's what they call. They should be here real soon. And then as far as I know, the bumper will be together, you know, good enough here. Honestly, I am surprised looking at the color between what I've painted on the bumper, and I know the paint's rough, and the color of the fog light bezels. I'm honestly surprised in how close they are. But anyways, let's get this set up by here, get the fog lights plugged in, and we'll go ahead and get the bumper on. can definitely tell that there's a color difference there. It's not absolutely terrible, but it's gonna need redone. And the fog lights, when I actually opened the box, I seen that it said it was for a Legacy 08 to 09. It's not what I ordered, but needless to say, they fit in there. Only issue is the light bulb has a different connector, so I wasn't able to plug it in, but at least we've got it together for now. I'll have to go and buy different bulbs, but yeah, there she is. I think that's about all I got for you guys today. If you enjoyed the video, if it might have been at all helpful, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what you thought. And as always, please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.